A lot of people say that Arrma Mojave is the toughest car that Arrma make. Now, we haven't had ours out for a while, and the main reason for that is it's got no motor ESC in it. We obviously borrowed it for another car, but I can't remember which one it went in. So in this video, we're going to be fitting a Max 6 ESC and a 1650 kV motor into here. Then we're going to take it out and see how durable it really is. Just look at the size of that motor, guys. Oh, beefy. Perfect mesh. So this is the EXB version of the Mojave, and it is totally and utterly stock, apart from 2 upgrades we've done. Putting the foam under the body supports here, or the body mounts at the front and the rear. Stops these shattering as much. This is a weak spot on the cars. And the Mojave wheels just love to come off and strip the hexes. So we've put on the M2C double locking nut system, and that is supposed to stop it, and we haven't had any wheels come off since then, so thumbs up. And of course, as usual, guys, guess what? Link in description down below where you can get it all from. Well, look who's turned up!
Hey!
What are we going to do, Callum?
We're going to get the Mojave out there, and we're going to let it rip!
Let's gonna
go!
We're at a new location here, guys. Thinking the Mojave is going to have a great time here, aren't we?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Who have we got out today?
Yeah.
Got Remo Russell.
Yeah.
Got Alex. What a rat! What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm sorry. It's good aim.
Good aim. Look at me, guys, I'm drenched! Absolutely covered! Oh, you rat. My turn.
Disgusting.
Got some X-Max repair work going on here. Pinion come off.
Yeah! Again.
How you finding it, Callum? Having
good.
fun with that?
Yeah, around here. Nowhere else.
Yeah, the Mojave really needs a nice loose surface. Get that back drifting out. Oh, look, everyone's avoiding the puddle. They're all scaredy cat. Are you a scaredy cat, Callum?
Huh?
Scaredy cat, scaredy cat. What's going on here then? We've got a bit of frogging going on. We have an RC adventure playground. Alex has got his Max out. Go on, Alex, let's see us send. Oh!
First attempt weren't bad.
No, but you got the walk of shame.
I know. Have I though?
Oh. Oh, self right. Oh!
Yeah! Yeah! Traxxas don't let you down.
Oh. Traxxas tough, baby. Traxxas tough. The walk of shame. What time is it, Callum?
Make a centre.
Could be carrying the Mojave home with us, and it's a bit of a trek from here. But we've got to try it out, haven't we? Mojave is going to the moon. Check it out. Absolutely loving it. Oh, looks good. Chassis straight, lights are on. The boys are loving it in there. Ooh, I thought that was going to be a chassis backbreaker there, because if that lands on here, that will be game over. What will it be, Callum? Game over. Oh! Poor Mojave. This thing is taking a beating though. You loving it in there? Yes. Want some more? Yes, please. Yes, please. Send us some more. Challenge for you, Callum, to test your driving skills. Can you jump across each one? Just jumping without crashing and end up at the end. Do you have the skills for that?
Easy.
Oh, okay. And back again then. And back. Oh! Revo's got a challenge for us. What we got to do?
Right, start from the top.
Yep.
Hit this bit. Land it.
Land down there.
power to that one to clear the next jump.
Oh, to clear that far one. That is a suicide challenge.
Definitely impossible, I reckon. No.
Oh! That's almost. I reckon you can have a go. Oh! Hello in there. You having fun? Okay, Callum, third time lucky. That's a bish box back, isn't it? Oh, he's not backflip though. You having fun with the Mojave?
It is good out here.
It's taking a beating though, isn't it? So maybe what they say about the Mojave is true. It is Arrma's most durable car. We're at a new location with the Mojave. We're really going to try and break it here, because we're going to send it off the log of doom if it lasts. Who's with us today?
Me.
Claire?
Ian. And Schmertz.
Oh, we got Schmert running. Jono and his daughter. Say hello. Hello. What's going on in here? We've got AS and Mitch. Oh, fixing something up there. And of course we've got Kev with his stupidly loud raminator. Oh, a bit technical. Let's go try and jump the lossy. It could be dangerous. Oh! I think we've got a bit of a mother meeting going on here. What's going on?
I've gone from 3 cars to 1.
3 cars to 1?
Always take the Traxxas as a backup.
Yeah. Where's Schmert?
Schmert, smoking the clutch and keep cutting out. Clutch was
Oh.
actually smoking.
Oh wow.
Sad music.
Sad music. After a drag race, can the lossy beat the raminator? And also we got the Mojave out. Got Ian driving the lossy today. Can you win, Callum?
No.
No? This could be carnage. Oh, that's dirty. Absolutely dirty. Mojave's coming back. Oh, Mojave's cheating. What are we doing? Oh, that was lucky. There comes the lossy. Oh, raminator's doing. Ready, steady, go! Oh! I think the Mojave won that one. What time is it, Callum?
I don't know, what time is it?
You tell me.
Make a send time.
Oh, that was a a hard front landing. Oh! I think that's what you call a twist and a flip. Oh, he's done it again. Mojave is absolutely loving this. Taking everything Callum's throwing. I don't want to tempt fate. In the trees. A hard landing. Big boss. Oh no, no back. No big boss bash on that one. Oh, we lost the bearing, guys. I don't know if I've got a spare. Hopefully someone might have a spare bearing here. We would carry on driving it, but we want to save it for something, don't we, Callum?
Yeah.
What do we want to save it for?
Log of Doom.
Mojave off the Log of Doom. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, it's on wheels.
It's always on wheels.
Always on wheels. Oh, God. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, it's on the wheel still. It's just taking absolute beating. What are you thinking, Callum?
I think it's stuck. But yeah, I think it's absolutely loving it.
You know what that means?
What?
You got the walk of shame. Okay, we're back home and let's assess the damage. But there really isn't any damage. None at all. Got a bit of a crack there, but I think that was there already. Bit of a crack there. Pop the body off. I've given it a clean up, but looking over the car, we've got a little bit of cracking going on here, but the foam's underneath it obviously stopped it going fully. That's from the heavy impacts. The only issue really is that bearing that let go on us. So there we have it, guys. Undisputably Arrma's most durable, toughest, and possibly the toughest, most durable RC in the world.